In this video, I'll show you how to enable followers on Facebook so people can follow your profile even if they are not your friends. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and after that tap Settings. Once the Settings page opens, scroll until you find the Audience and Visibility section. Now tap Followers and Public Content to open the follower settings. Inside this section, look for the option called Who Can Follow Me. Tap on it and change the setting from Friends to Public. This allows anyone on Facebook to follow your profile and see your public posts. After changing the setting, the follower option will be enabled automatically. Now people who are not on your friends list can still follow your updates and see the content you share publicly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.